Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace these turn signal bulbs with LEDs. In order to change these bulbs, we're going to need to take these fairings off. So make sure you check out the fairing removal video. I'll have a link in the description because we're going to be taking off this top fairing, this main fairing, and then this side panel here. Alright guys, so these are the bulbs that we're going to be installing. These are the Inertia LED RY10W. They come in two different colors. You can get them in white or yellow. We're using yellow since they're going to be used for turn signals. These go for about $50 or $60 online. I'll have a link in the description. And the reason I went with these over some of the other options out there, these have a lifetime warranty. They're fully CAN bus compliant. I'm not sure if it's an issue with the Ninja or not to have CAN bus turn signals, but I'd rather get something that I know is not going to cause any problems. These also don't need a separate resistor or LED relay in order to make sure that you don't get the fast turn signal rate. We are going to be installing an LED turn signal relay anyway, just because I'm installing a different set of LEDs in the back. So anyway, these are what the bulbs look like. This is the side fairing, this is the left side fairing, and the turn signal bulb is really easy to get out. I'll show you the view from the back. Alright, I know it's kind of hard to see, but looking from the inside of the fairing you can see the turn signal socket, and all you're going to do is grab that and turn it counterclockwise to pull it out. Alright, to get the original turn signal bulb out, all you're going to do is press it in and then rotate it slightly counterclockwise, and you'll see that there are two pins on the bottom that are offset, and those line up with the two cutouts in the metal. To install the new bulb, you're going to find those same two pins, line them up, press it in, and then turn slightly clockwise. And there you go. And then you'll put this back into the fairing, turn it to the right to lock it in, and then install the fairings. Okay, the factory turn signal relay is right here. And what this does is it controls the flash rate for the turn signals. And it has a feature where if a turn signal bulb burns out, it will blink fast to let you know that one of your bulbs is burnt out. The problem is when you add typical LED bulbs, they use so little power that the relay thinks that one of the bulbs is missing, and then you'll get your turn signals will blink very quickly. So you have two options. One is that you can add resistors to the system so that the LEDs use as much power as a typical incandescent bulb, or you can change the relay to one that blinks at a steady rate regardless of the load. I don't really understand why anybody would use resistors in their system. All it does is it defeats the whole electrical savings, the energy savings of using LED bulbs. It's a point of failure. They generate a lot of heat. So I always think it's better to just replace this flasher relay with one that's LED compatible. And in my case, I'm using the Custom LED ELFR-1, and I'll have a link to this. You can get these things cheap, like anywhere between $10 and $20, and then these will work with all bulbs, whether they're incandescent or LED. And this is a much better solution, and that way you don't need to add resistors to your system, and everything will just work the way it's supposed to. So we'll disconnect this, and this is the original relay is just on a rubber sleeve that's mounted on a bracket, and so you can just push this up to get this out. So this is the rubber bracket that the original relay was mounted on. In order to mount the new relay, since this won't work with that rubber sleeve, I'm just going to put some double-sided tape on the back and then stick it to the bracket where the original relay was mounted. Alright, the relay is all installed. Alright guys, so here's a comparison of the LED bulb versus the standard bulb. As you're looking at the bike in this video, the LED is on the right and the standard bulb is on the left. It'll come through a little bit in video, but in person the LED bulb is just a lot brighter, and you can see it doesn't have that kind of ramp up time. It just comes instantly full brightness. So it is a nice improvement in terms of visibility. Alright, thanks for watching.